Today we're going to learn about Porsche Voice Pilot, how to activate it and how to set it up. There's two different ways to start the Porsche Voice Pilot. One is by a short press of the button here on the steering wheel, the voice activation button. The second way is to use the activation words, "Hey Porsche." "Hey Porsche."
How can I help?
"I'm cold."
It'll get a little warmer in a minute.
And here you can see the temperature on my side has gotten 2 degrees warmer. There are other possibilities for Porsche Voice Pilot to adjust different features and functions in the car. A great place to see some of these features and functions in which you can have Porsche Voice Pilot assist you with is to ask for help. "Hey Porsche, I need help."
Maybe you can find helpful voice commands here. Try them out.
Here you can see a wide variety of things you can adjust with Porsche Voice Pilot. Check out navigation. Take me to a certain address or a certain location. Or you can ask things like, where can I charge? Some of the vehicle functions like, what is my battery's target charge? Or set the ambient lighting to red can be adjusted using Porsche Voice Pilot. You can use other features like phone media and of course climate control to have Porsche Voice Pilot assist you in operating your vehicle. There's also a way to configure how it reads certain features. Let's go into Settings, Porsche Voice Pilot, and then select Preferred Apps. The preferred apps here speak specifically of media sources. So say for instance, if you ask it to pull up a certain song or a certain type of song, you can do that here. So for media, comes standard as the Bluetooth audio player. I want to switch that to Apple CarPlay. Let me go back. And for podcast, I'm going to switch that to Spotify. And for radio, I'm going to switch that to FM. Now, whenever you ask it to change a radio station or change to the next track, it will use those specific media sources in your commands. There's also a way to speed up Porsche Voice Pilot. You can do so in Settings. Let's go to Settings, Porsche Voice Pilot, Interrupt Speech Output. This allows you to interrupt the Porsche Voice Pilot in the middle of an explanation. Also, Short Dialogue. This will also shorten the answers of the Porsche Voice Pilot, so you don't have to interrupt as much. Navigate to a coffee. 1.
Espresso Atlanta. Start route guidance.
As you can see there, I was able to interrupt her before she continued listing out all the additional coffee shops. You can activate your other voice assistants via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by a long press of the voice activation button. I would like a coffee.
One option is Coffee Man Hapeville on North Central Avenue in Hapeville.
You now have configured and can use Porsche Voice Pilot in your new Macan Electric.